belly dance was created by women for women. So initially, only women saw it being performed. So you would perform it in preparation for childbirth, because it helps the muscles in terms of childbirth. So it technically is for us. And the idea that you should hide your femininity or hide your beauty is so strange to me, because I think it should be celebrated.
Wow, dit is ongelooflik, want dit is inderdaad 'n massiewe wanopvatting. Want mense dink
Daai seksuele ondertoon, ja.
En dit objectify vroue. En eintlik is hierdie ding eintlik net vir vroue om hulself te celebrate.
100%. And it's also a great method for yourself to grow, because you push yourself to do that much better.
Is daar verskillende tipe style van belly dance?
Yes. So you get your original folkloric styles like Saidi, Shabi, Khaliji, which stems really from the cultural parts. And then it's moved into very modern things. So you get modern Egyptian, Maraganat, you get fusion styles, you get tribal styles, ATS, it continues.
Sjoe, ons moet werk aan 'n boerie.
Boere ja. Want sy gaan nou vir 'n boere belly dans leer.
Boere penspolka. Ja. Jy het nou net gesê, en dit was vir my beautiful, dat hierdie 'n celebration van womanhood is.
Ja.
Ek is seker jy trek dit deur na die res van jou lewe ook. Vertel ons 'n bietjie van jou filosofie oor being a woman.
Okay. I feel like that is a super complex question, but to kind of put it in a nutshell, there is nobody who is you.